Oh my God! You have to help us!
Mixed words, Maynard.
We are running out of time! Please do something!
We've got a situation. It's escalating fast.
What are our orders?
New orders, back to the truck. We need the heavy gear, let's move. Go, go, grab the ropes.
Help us! They're right behind me! You have to help us!
Stop right there. Now pull the snake! And move it!
We are so grateful for your team's hard work.
It was our pleasure. We're glad we could help.
Before hard moving, a little long stick. We'll have to climb along.
Need help!
Thanks, Doctor, for our help.
Towards later.
Wait here, I'll turn off the oven real quick.
Police! Help! A giant creature is attacking my rabbit!
Stay inside. Be careful. This creature is extremely dangerous. We'll save your pet.
Everyone, alert! Giant creature attack reported. Prepare unit.
All units, move out now. We have a confirmed sighting at the target location.
Copy that. Moving in fast.
Net secure. We have containment.
Copy. Dispatch. The target is immobilized.
Oh my God! Get away from it!
Listen to me. They are both here. The Anaconda is massive. Send the extraction team immediately before it's too late. It's too aggressive. Prepare the tether guns. And a smoke grenade.
Stack up! Pole ready, coming up!
Keep the pressure right there. Don't let up. Easy now, girl. You're all right. You're safe.
It's okay, girl. You're safe now.
Please. A giant snake. It's killing my dog. Please send help. Please hurry.
There you gone.
Sir, stay calm. We are sending a team right now. Do not go near the snake. It is extremely dangerous.
Stay where you are. Weapons ready. Move.
Hang tight, Alex. We're coming for that dog. Full speed.
Help! Please, someone help! Move!
Backyard. Giant snake. Stay sharp.
Get it off him! Please, somebody help him!
Smoke deployed. All units, eyes on the target. Move in.
Muzzle secured. Ropes. Pull tight.
Get off him! Help him! Go! Go! Run!
You're safe now. All units, hold your position. Do not approach the cage until cleared.
All right, lift on 3. Easy now, keep it steady. Watch the back right, lock it down.
It's in position. Secure the locks now.
Locking mechanism engaged. We are clear.
He's stable now. We've stopped the bleeding and the IV is working. He's gonna be okay.
Increase the fluids. I'm so glad you're okay, buddy. I missed you so much. You're all better now.